Yes, they're ripping down the supply tent, and anything we can't fit in our cars in the next few minutes, they're throwing out. Fucking. I don't have much room in my car either because I'm camping out here. Fuck. We had filed an injunction with a lawyer, and we were told the attorneys were talking with the city and that they were trying to come to an agreement. So we were under the impression that we could stay until the lawyers finished sorting it out. So we are trying to fit everything we can in our vehicles before they throw more shit away. Because this is all community donations. Thank you, mods. I appreciate you. Sorry, I'm just trying to make room in my car to put a few buckets in here. I just laugh and think it's fucking funny. The police just came to tear down our tent at the Broadview Detention Center. We can fit a few in my car alongside my mattress. We're getting everything we can out because they said we can keep anything we can fit in our cars right now. I don't know if these big buckets will fit or not. And try it. Yeah. Sorry, I'm trying to move stuff while I'm trying to film them here. You guys can put a couple in my car. The trunk is open down there.
I'm like trying to tell him, why couldn't he just talk to us? And he's like, well, I've been talking to a lot of people, and I'm like,
guys, we can put some stuff in my car alongside my mattress.
I know about.
I'll talk to my guy.
I think he has.
What will fit in my car? Maybe this one. We are moving stuff to our cars because the police just came to shut us. Police just tore down all of that, and they're going to tear this down if we can't fit it in our cars. The excavator is here because they were throwing all of our stuff into it, all the community donations and everything, to throw it in a dumpster. Sorry, I just set my phone on the bucket while I carry it. You guys can put a couple more in my car too.
Alright. This was like half full, so I just unload it into the cars, or?
Yeah, I guess. Whatever. However we can make it fit.
Stuff in here for like batteries and stuff. Just wherever there's like a little tiny bit of room.
Yeah, we'll just have to put stuff next to my mattress here.
Slide this all the way up, hell.
Yeah, just trying not to pop the mattress. I just got it. Okay, let me put this one up. Sorry, guys, I had to set it down because I'm carrying a bucket. Trying to film them and move here before they throw away our stuff. Okay. Yeah, I had to move stuff to the car because, see, they're taking all our stuff on the excavators. We're trying to clean up our camp quick before they throw anything else away. My mom's cooler. Oh fuck, it's so heavy. It's full of soda. Fuck. Okay, what's the most important here, guys? Is this someone's bedding? Yeah, I need to be able to sleep in there tonight too. This is where I'm sleeping tonight too, so. Yeah, I might have to give up the cooler.
You know they waited until the medical training?
Yep. Yeah, they did this intentionally when everyone was at training. That's why she was trying to encourage us all to go to the training so they could just steal all our shit. They let Mega destroy your camp in Portland. Fucking assholes.
I know.
Okay. That's about all we're gonna fit in my car. Yeah. An excavator, they're all out here grabbing stuff as fast as we can, trying to throw it away before we can even get it in the cars. Because they're assholes. And they waited till we barely had anyone here when there's a training going on for rapid response. And they're ripping apart this tent that someone donated. They stole our table. The police and the city. They just stole all the donations from the community, ripped all our stuff down. We had a stay from a lawyer requesting litigation. My car's full. Because the police had given us an order to vacate, we got a lawyer, and the lawyers were debating it, and the police did not wait for the lawyers and just started taking all our shit. Okay, but this was thousands of dollars of donated stuff from the community.
I'm talking to my chat. I'm saying that he let her get the thing. I don't.
Yeah, but that's still thousands of dollars worth of stuff donated from the community.
Why are you getting mad at me?
I'm not getting mad at you. I'm just saying it's bullshit that they're doing this. I didn't get mad at you. I'm just trying to work.
Hey, Dave. Yes.
Sorry, guys. I'm trying to get these lights unstrung.
Alright, you wanna grab the next out?
I got it? Yeah. Thank you. Okay. Here's the piece from that leg. Couldn't wait for the fucking lawyers.
Let them break it off right here.
Here's another foot piece from it. The police tore down our entire campsite. They put a lot of it into this excavator and started dumping it into the dumpsters, and we grabbed everything we could and filled every single car here. So we saved as much of it as we could. It was an autonomous zone, and we had permission from the police chief to have been here. Yes, someone's calling the attorney that was working on the case for us. Motor, excavator, whatever. I don't know fucking construction. We don't need to show you the legal paperwork because I'm not doxing the lawyer. The donations, it was food, medical supplies, gas masks, goggles. Yeah. That can go in the garbage. I'll walk that to the excavator myself. She can't support our food drive, but she can sure tear down our stuff and throw her own, huh? This is garbage. We don't want that shit. Thank you, mods. I appreciate you. Sorry, it's a bit chaos here.
Thank you, fat fucks. Go ruin someone else's night.
Whose car's all of these?
It's all theirs. They're told that they had to move.
Okay.
They have an issue with the one car, the Sonata. Is it? It's a Sonata.
Yeah, it's a Hyundai.
He's 20 minutes away.
Oh, after 9.
Oh, so 9:20. We give him permission. You got permission for 9? I apologize. Let's make it 9:25.
Yes, the donations were to sustain protests and donations for impacted families, hygiene products, food, things like that.
I got to move myself.
Yes, Clash Traders. They had given us a notice to vacate, but we had obtained a lawyer. And the lawyer was talking to the city and had already threatened litigation. And they tore it down anyway, so it looks like we're going to be suing Broadview. Because they're preventing us from filming ICE. They keep imposing all these new rules. They just stole thousands of dollars in donations. We got everything we could in the fucking cars. I know, they just came in with the thing and just started ripping stuff and throwing it in there. We were... I don't know.
Take them, I don't give a fuck. Just fucking take them, whatever, fuck them. Fucking take them.
Are they the iron ones?
No.
I'm not. Okay, I'm just gonna put them over here. I'm okay, Granddad.
So what's with this? What are we doing with this? Amanda?
Huh?
What are we doing with this?
I don't know. We just carried it over here because all the cars were getting full, and we did. And huh?
Are they the iron workers helping with this?
Yeah. Some of them. Officially.
Yeah, because they were trying. The city people were trying to rip the tents apart.
No, they were
and
literally
throw it in
grabbing everything.
their
they could
motor.
Like they couldn't say, "Hey, you guys got 10 minutes." And
they
stuff
literally
like
said, "Get the fuck out of my way" when I stood in front of them.
Yep. They were
bitch asses. My fucking tax debt, my dang car. I can't talk.
Yes, exactly, Leslie. Let me approve your comment. It is. It's fucking insane. Same thing. People are being kidnapped here, and they keep putting up barriers, so we can't even film them to help people who are being kidnapped, and then they have to tear our stuff down. Like, it's so frustrating because we've been building that for 6 weeks now, and we've gotten so many donations from the community. We protected everything we could, but this is technically in Broadview, not Chicago. It's a little town of like 8,000 with 25 cops. Yeah. Yep. Well, they put it all in that loader and put it straight into a dumpster. It is kidnapping.
There it goes.
Hey guys.
Yep.
Where do you want me to put the stuff at, or do you want me just to put it all in my car?
Anything you can fit. My car's already full. A lot of the cars are already full.
Just break this whole thing down and put whatever you can in my car, neatly, please.
Yeah, we'll just put everything in cars, and then we can all communicate during protest hours to get everything back to its proper owners.
I have a couple of your phone numbers. If you want to give me a cell phone number or who to get a hold of where I can drop this stuff off at.
Awesome. Thank you.
One on all the plates.
Yep.
Where are you guys about to go?
And laughing about it too.
The lakes? I have no idea. Yeah, he said one of you guys, he said that you were a little bit earlier.
The police and city just ripped down our medical tents and mutual aid area, and they're laughing about it.
I think one of them, I don't know, a couple people were trying to figure out.
Of course, we're tired of losing donations, losing stuff, but if they're kidnapping people here, we got to keep fighting.
That's what I was saying. So if you have to
Yeah, I can't believe this is America either. This is fucking insane.
tow our cars, Amanda, where's your car? You gotta move it now because he just called me.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna. Okay.
Do we have Adam's keys?
No, he's 20 minutes away. We told them that. Okay, guys, they're threatening to tow our cars now if we don't get out of here. So I'm gonna have to end the live and go find some place to park for the night. So, because I was gonna camp out here. So,